All right, so this is evidence video number 2. This is all about that first red in your body paragraph. So again, remember we're working on the Odyssey body paragraph. So all of the evidence we should be gathering should be from the Odyssey. And the purpose of this video is to talk about the transition that leads into the quote. So if you did your main point, right, your main point probably previews a little bit of like what part of the book you're going to be talking about. So then your evidence should either have a transition, if you look at the next yellow red down here, a transition like this, the story states, or there is a transition document on the resources page of your outline that you could use to give you some other ideas of what you could say there, or it might lead in with a little context. So like this one is talking about the moment when Odysseus is shipwrecked at the beginning of the book. So it says, after receiving a special gift from a sea nymph, the story states. We've got our commas in between the transitions and our quotes, but we want to make sure that as we are piecing our outline together into a paragraph, the evidence sentences are always going to start with some sort of transition, or they're going to start with context, right? So in the story, Odysseus is disguised as a beggar, as he sits with his wife, the text states. So again, sometimes we use that context to help give a little bit more of a background. That means we do not have to quote this part of the book, because we just summarize this part, and then we can focus our quote on the part that we're going to be analyzing in our elaboration. So use context, use a transition before your quote.